All right, our banana pudding is out the refrigerator, and we're gonna dig into it and let you see what it is. Okay, this is what I like. I like a banana pudding that's firm, and this is what I'm talking about. That right there. That is what I'm talking about, y'all. This right here. This is what it's all about. Look at it. See that? Creamy, thick, tastes like bananas. A lot of bananas in it. The cookies are soft. It's marvelous, y'all. Simple little recipe. It's cold. Look at that. Some cookies there. I don't like them runny banana pudding. That's not what I want. I want a banana pudding like this. And see, is that runny enough? No, you don't. This time I'll be right back. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what I call a simple banana pudding. It's hot and everyone wants a cool dessert, and banana pudding is the first thing I think of. What I want to show you is how to do a good simple banana pudding. Now, making with all that custard, the hot, the heat, the eggs, it's fantastic. That's a wonderful recipe. That recipe is fabulous. I can make those, but since it's hot and people just want something right away, it's easy. All you have to do is go to the store and get some vanilla jello pudding. That's all. And then I'll put a can of evaporated milk in there, 1 can. And then I put some whipped cream with it, just like that, to blend it out. Just like this, y'all. You can see it. Now, this is what I do. Now, I put that 1 box of this 16 ounce. I think it is a 5.10 ounce of instant. Make sure it says instant right there. I'm going to say instant. Make sure it's instant. I'm going to blend that with some whipped cream. Now, you can go to my website and get the homemade custard if you like. But right here, this is for the housewives who just got married, and the girlfriends try to impress their boyfriends, and the boyfriends try to impress them, and the husband try to impress their wives. This is what this is right here. I like for mine to be kind of thick like that, y'all. See that? How that transferred into that. Look at that. Ain't that wonderful? And the secret, now we can put a little bit more in there if you want to. A little bit more. But the secret of the banana pudding, y'all, is the bananas and the egg. I mean, banana and the cookies. I'm talking about bananas and eggs. Don't just forgive me for that. But the bananas and the cookies is the secret. That's the secret to me. And the custard is too, but we're not making homemade custard. So what we got in here underneath this, we got bananas. Okay? So we're going to add some more cookies on top of this. Just a little bit more cookies just on top of that. And we're going to add some more bananas. Just like that on the cookies. Make sure they spread out. Because that's what makes the banana pudding good to me. Is the bananas and the cookies. The bananas and the cookies makes it taste good. Put in a little small dish like this. Add some more bananas. And then you start adding your custard. Just like that. Add your custard in there. And it's going to melt all the way down in there, y'all, when you put it in the refrigerator. So when you dip in there and get it, you're getting the bananas and the cookies. You just do it like this. Make sure it, now you're watching me, y'all. You make sure that it is all underneath there, like that. Raise it up and bury it underneath these cookies. And I use a small old pan. See, just like this. Now, there's somebody gonna say, who in the world? But you know what? If it tastes good, I don't care if a monkey make it. You know, long as it tastes good and it's healthy and it make you feel good, that's all that matters. That's all. And then you get the rest of the bananas and put on top, just like that. That's bananas on top. And you put some more of this custard on there. Like that. Now this banana, this counter is clean, so we can't use that. Put that banana in the custard. That's what's going to give it the banana taste. And then we're going to add the rest of the Cool Whip. Whatever topping you want, you put on top of there. You're going to smooth it out like this. Now this is a simple little banana pudding. It's going to take about 5 or 10 minutes to make. And we're going to put it in the refrigerator for at least about 2 hours. Let everything get incorporated with each other. Use any topping that you want. Like that. And we're going to add these cookies. Add these cookies like that, y'all. Have this banana pudding rocking. Just like this. Because it's what the secret is. It's the cookies and the bananas, y'all. I'm telling you, that's what makes it good. And the custard has a lot to do with it too, but the bananas and the cookies really do a good job too. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, let it sit for about 2 hours. Come back and let you see what it looked like. I'm not making a mess, but hey, I heard that messy cooks make the best cooks. That's what I heard. So you put these around like this. Make it pretty and fancy. Like that. Gonna lose that. Put that around there. You're gonna need about a box of cookies and maybe about 6 bananas. And we're gonna put it like this and let it sit in the refrigerator. And we'll be right back with this banana pudding. Hope you was in the camera, y'all. I got y'all weird back here. But this is what it's supposed to be like. And we're gonna put it in the refrigerator. And we'll be right back.